fucking cook.
Ow. Hey guys, welcome back to a new day in my life. I just woke up, like, I've been up for a bit. It's 8:17 right now. About to go make myself some breakfast, eat that, let it kind of digest, and then head on to the gym. I quickly just want to add in some clips here from yesterday because I got I got one new tattoo, and then I got this tattoo on my hip fixed because this was my first tattoo. And let me just set up while I talk to you. So that was my first tattoo I got. I was 16, and I just went to this like tattoo place because I'd gotten pierced there before, so it's kind of like, okay, it was like my birthday present for my mom. It was like 50 bucks. We were like, cool, let's do it. Like, I didn't really know much about tattoos at all, so I was like, I just want to get like a short phrase, like I'm sure that'll be fine. The whole experience was just like off. Like, I was really scared and really nervous because it was my first time, and my mom wasn't even allowed to like stand there with me. Like, it was just a horrible experience. And not only was it horrible, but it also just like healed really bad because he went in way too deep with the needle. Like, it was just not good. So yeah, over time, I've had it for like almost 5 years now, and it just looked so bad. So I really just wanted to get it fixed up by the tattoo artist that I go to like pretty much for every tattoo now. I had this tattoo is by someone else, and then I have another tattoo that I got matching with my siblings that I did at a different shop. But besides that, she's done all my tattoos. So I just wanted her to fix it. So when I went in yesterday for this cute little Cupid baby, I also just went ahead and got that one fixed up. I have to say, the one on my hip actually hurt more than I thought it was going to. But then I do remember when I got done for the first time, it was really bad. But I honestly thought that was because of the fact that I was so like, with my first tattoo, I was like nervous, so I thought that was gonna be really bad. And because of that tattoo, like I had such like I wanted more tattoos, but I just had like a traumatizing experience almost. Like I thought every tattoo was gonna feel like that. And so it did kind of hurt, and also it was more sensitive obviously because there was already like a tattoo there. She said it was gonna hurt a little bit more. Especially towards like my hip bone when it was on my bone. Ciao. But I'm going to be filming a tattoo tour next week because so many people keep asking for more videos on my tattoos. So I was like, let me just do that video and I can just send it to everyone who asks, and then when I get more tattoos, I'll just make an updated one. But yeah, I'm going to make my breakfast, and I'm also just going to add in the clips from me getting tattooed yesterday, and then yeah, enjoy. hope no one walks in while I'm talking, but I brought my black camera to the gym. How good is that? Never thought I would do that. I just finished my workout and I brought my own yoga mat because of the coronavirus. I just don't wanna. And I'm also filming an ab challenge where I basically try to get abs in 2 weeks because my abs are like gone. I never really had abs, just kind of like a little bit, but I'm basically just gonna be doing this like abs workout. I'm gonna try to do every day, but I'll probably have to do like rest days as well. Starting is off, I'm so sorry. You'll see that I'm probably like the end of this month, I think so, yeah, because I also have to like film it for 2 weeks and my battery's dying. So I'm gonna get ready to go home and then take a shower, and I need to wash my hair because I'm getting my hair done at 2. Have to be there at 2. I'm getting braids again. Okay, so I'm home and I'm just going to quickly put some oil in my hair so I can wash it. My hair is going a lot already. I think my new growth is like up to here, and last time I relaxed it was in December. Pretty sure it was like end of December or something. I kind of want to just try to protective style all year and then decide if I want to relax. Like, I don't want to relax at all this year. If I can, I really want to just try because I think it'll be good for my hair, whether I'm going to go back to relaxing or not, or if I decide like, oh, I think I'm ready to go natural, it'll just be good for my hair to have a break and grow and stuff like that. I really enjoyed having braids, so I'm excited to have them again, and like I kind of just want to experiment with like different types of braids this year, different colors. Like when I go on vacation it'll be really nice, so we'll see. So the microwave. I actually bought HelloFresh this week. I'm not working with them. I wish I was. I would love to be sponsored by HelloFresh because I cooked my first meal earlier this week, like 2 days ago, and I loved it. And I basically just got the veggie box for 2 people and then 3 days. That way I can like eat for 6 days, and like I'll like cook it and then I'll save the other meal for the next day, and I actually really like it. So tonight I'm gonna be cooking that as well. So I guess I'll just film it because it's like fun, but it's not sponsored. I wish it was. And I kind of want to start doing that every week, but it kind of does get expensive. I don't know, we'll see. It just kind of makes it a bit easier for me because I never know what to eat for dinner. Like dinner is always an issue for me. Also, in case someone's gonna get confused, I'm still gonna be doing week in my lives. I'm just gonna kind of switch it up so that I also get like a break sometimes from vlogging, because like I want to post 1 vlog a week, and if I have to do a week in my life every week, that means I get no break from vlogging. So she asked me if I want to help.
Look, don't even get me started.
I can fucking cook, so shut the fuck up.
Sure, Jen.
You've never tasted my food, so don't even try it. I'm good.
For a reason, that.
cooking and eating, but I hadn't showed you guys my hair yet, so here it is. It's obviously very tight. It's so much lighter. There's only like 2 packs in my hair right now, which is like perfect. I'll be able to wear it up in a ponytail. Like, I love it. It's obviously like still a little bit stiff right now, but let me try to put it up in a ponytail. It might hurt. Ow. 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 Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to put it in a ponytail right now. Ow. Ow. Oh my god, that fucking hurts. Okay, let me not do that. It's too tight. Next time I'm gonna get knotless, but we were already like starting, and because I showed her a photo of what I wanted, and then she was like, oh wait, but did you want it exactly like the photo? Because I was knotless, and I was like, oh, we already started, so it's fine. But next time I want to try knotless so it's a little less painful in the beginning. Yeah, this is my hair. Very happy with it. It's just not as like heavy on my head. It was like the last braids were a lot and they were not very practical. I'm really tired. I cooked and I ate. It was really good. It was like a sweet potato soup kind of thing. It was very like heavy though, like the taste was very strong, so I didn't even finish it, but it was okay. But let me put a little bit of my scalp spray on. Oh, it's so nice and cold. I'm curious to see. Oh, that's so good. This kind of helps like make it not as tight on your head, and it's like cooling. Basically it's just like water with a little bit of conditioner and tea tree. Tell me why I felt the need to buy this AirPod case. It was honestly an impulse buy. Like I found it on AliExpress and I was like, oh cute, so I ordered it, and then it came like months later and I was like, oh, I forgot I even ordered that. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready to go to bed because I'm so tired. I've been up since like 7:30 I think. But I hope this vlog was kind of fun. I honestly cannot even remember what I vlogged, but I hope you enjoyed it. I think the next vlog will be a week in my life again. I think I'm gonna vlog a week in my life starting on Monday, so stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.